Hey there, Instagram lovers! Are you struggling to gain followers on your account? Don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to double your Instagram followers using Reels. Tip number 1: use trending music and hashtags. The first tip to get more Instagram followers using Reels is to use trending music and hashtags. By using popular music and relevant hashtags, your Reels will be more likely to be discovered by users who are interested in the same topics as you. Make sure you're using music that's currently popular and related to your content. And use relevant hashtags that are specific to your niche. This will help your Reels get in front of the right audience and increase your chances of getting more followers. Tip number 2: make use of text and captions. The second tip to double your Instagram followers using Reels is to make use of text and captions. Adding text and captions to your Reels is a great way to provide more context to your content and make it more engaging for viewers. You can use text to create attention-grabbing headlines or captions to provide additional information about your content. This will help your Reels stand out from the competition and increase your chances of getting more views and followers. Tip number 3: keep your Reels short and sweet. The third and final tip to double your Instagram followers using Reels is to keep your Reels short and sweet. Instagram Reels have a maximum length of 60 seconds, but you don't have to use the entire time. In fact, shorter Reels are often more effective because they're easier to consume and more likely to keep viewers' attention. So, keep your Reels concise and to the point, and focus on delivering valuable and engaging content to your audience. And there you have it, 3 tips to double your Instagram followers using Reels. By using trending music and hashtags, making use of text and captions, and keeping your Reels short and sweet, you can create content that resonates with your audience and helps you grow your following. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your Instagram following with Reels. See you in the next one.